Did you know ancient Egyptians believed you could literally bring a dead body back to life? They had a secret ritual called the opening of the mouth that was more important than making mummies. This ceremony had 75 steps and took hours to complete. Priests used special golden knives and sacred tools to touch different parts of the mummy's body. They said magic words that would give the dead person the power to eat, drink, talk, and see in the afterlife. Without this ritual, your soul would be trapped forever in a dead body. Even if you had the fanciest tomb and the most expensive mummy wrapping, none of it mattered without the opening of the mouth ceremony. Rich families spent all their money on this one ritual. Some even went broke paying for it because they knew their loved one's soul depended on it. If the priest made even one mistake during the ceremony, the person's soul would be destroyed forever. Archaeologists have found real golden ceremony tools buried with pharaohs, proving how seriously Egyptians took this life or death ritual.